Okay, let's do how to put the value. I already put some initial value, so to save time. The light source is on the top. This time we decide to go with the left top. That means the top of this B structure will be the lightest. So I put a little bit of light colors here. Opposite side of the light source always gets dark, and then inside this will be getting really dark. Right. So if you want to apply 5, that will do. If you have a 4B pencil or higher B pencils, you can make much more darker value. But I'm also doing it for the people that do not have all the materials. Okay, so even just with the HB pencil, you can do almost everything. Right, the value is so dark, so keep going until it becomes really dark. Okay, all right. Now, this is a time that you can actually use the ruler, and it's opposite side, so you don't have to make it this dark because that's the inside, but still it should be pretty dark. Right? Make sure that try not to show pencil mark, and making it smooth. So if you start showing the white mark, then just turn the pencil around a little bit, use the sharp parts. Right, depends on the angle of your pencil, it's going to turn differently. Right, but as the pencil gets duller, what happens? You're going to have a mark that texture starts showing through more and more. So this is a round part. So what you want to do is slightly, as it goes round, you're making it a little bit lighter. So you can have an effect of corner turning around. Okay. You can go back and make it smoother if you want. And clean up the edge. Right, and do the same here. So as it goes around, what do? I usually do not erase this because the purpose of this video is to learn, so you can see still what was behind, so you can see through. Then you can learn much better because you can see the position of things, that how it was up here in the beginning, right? And you can go around and use this angle, and then as it goes up, what happens? It gets lighter. Oops, I cut it a little bit, sorry about that. So try to put the drawing into the best position you can have. That's always make things easier. So I'm right-handed, so this is my comfortable angle. So if you're left-handed, it should be opposite, right? So keep going around. So if you think other drawings bothers you, then you can put some papers over, right? So you can comfortably draw. And there's actually a way that you can start doing the edges you color it like that and then keeps turning to it. But yeah, that's always a little slow, so I'm gonna just cover it. And then this is the parts that goes in, so I'm gonna slightly making it a little bit darker, so it can give more strong effect that it goes inside, right? But still light is coming from there, so it cannot be completely white. So I'm gonna cover them, but still make this top parts lighter so we can have this feel that this is turning around. Same thing, slightly cover it, so it cannot be same as this part because that's the place the light is hitting. So you want to make this parts, of course, darker than this side. Okay, so that's how you do the value for the B. We can make this part much softer. All you have to do is just do a little bit more, and then just go after these little tiny blanks that show through and go over them. And then more do you do, it gets smoother and smoother and smoother, rather than you just use the smudging stick. When you become a professional, you know what to do, how to do, then whatever tool you want to use, that's fine. But at least while you are learning, try to deal with the texture on your own by using the pencil. That way you gain more skills how to handle the pencil. Okay, all right, so that's how you do the value in 2-point perspective.